Robert here. Now often you might have a frustrating problem of water leaking onto the floor from your fridge, and you're wondering how on earth you might try and fix that without calling a repairman or having to buy a new fridge. So I'm just looking at a very cheap fix for this. Is get a bottle of get an old bottle of a Coke bottle, and just a simple piece of plastic tube, you get from the hardware shop for about $2.50, and drill a hole onto the top of the bottle, and that's all you need. And I'll now going to show you how to fix that water leak just using this bottle and tube. Okay, we're at the back of the fridge with the plastic water drain tray on top of the heater evaporator. Now before you start mucking around at all, just make sure you switch the mains off. You don't want to get electrocuted, so take all the safety precautions first. Now get on to trying to fix this water leak. Okay, we're now here behind the fridge here, and you've got this drain tray, water drain tray, where you'd normally the water would come down from this drain pipe. If I can just show you this. There you go, there's the bottom of the drain pipe where the water, just trying to get a good shot of it here. And see that alright? Just over here. Okay, so that's the bottom of the drain pipe coming down the fridge, where the water flows down into this plastic drain tray. Now when that pipe is blocked, then the water doesn't come out, and it'll just flow out onto the floor, and that's the problem you got. So I hope you can see that pipe. So now you would have to unblock that drain pipe, and just get a very simple, an old used bottle of Coke or fruit drink or whatever, and use this plastic tube, little plastic tube that you can get from the hardware shop. Probably it cost me about $2.50 for 1 meter, and you drill a hole on the top of the lid, and then you'd fill the bottle with hot water from the tap, and then you'd squeeze, you'd attach this plastic tube to the bottom of that drain pipe, and then you'd squeeze the hot water up that into the drain pipe, and hopefully that'll clear any blockage there, and then hopefully the water will come back down into this tray, and you won't get it overflowing onto the floor. So hopefully that'll help someone. Alright, so hope that helps someone to fix the water leak on their fridge. It's a very frustrating thing to do, and you could spend time trying to figure out what the problem is and how to fix it. And so I looked through a few videos online, but you still got to figure out which one to use. So if you have the same problem, I hope that it helps and it got it fixed for you. So I hope that sorts you out.